correlate the layers of these two rock outcrops. Now they're found in different locations, but you'll notice they have some of the same letters. Now in this case, again, we're using letters as representations of fossils because it's hard to identify fossils on a piece of paper. So the first thing we need to do is find the oldest layer. We always start with the oldest, and the oldest rocks are always at the bottom. We know this from the law of superposition. So we're going to look at the bottom of each column. We have the letter Y down here, and we have the letter O down here. So now if I'm taking a look, I can see that there's actually a letter O above the Y, which means that the Y has to be the oldest. So my oldest fossil is going to be a Y. I'm going to work my way up this rock column. I'm going to say Y, and then I'm going to go with O, then M, then N, then Z. Now, when I get to the Z, I'll notice this wavy line. That wavy line means there was erosion, so it means there's a gap in the layers. There's a layer missing. So I've got to find a letter Z in my other column, and here it is, down here right above O. So I start with my letter Z, and above my letter Z, I can see an S, I can see a T, and I can see a U. Now again, above this U is a wavy line, which means there was erosion. So I have to go to the other column and find a U. Here it is. So here's the U, and we're going to go above the U, and we have a letter P, and a letter H, and a letter J. Now, J is at the top. There's nothing above it, but let's check the other column. There's a letter J right here. Above that letter J is letter F. So our proper order is as written here from oldest to youngest, YOM, NZS, TUP, HJF.